Hello and welcome to another video from Reynolds Renovations. A customer of ours reached out to us and wanted a full downstairs remodel. We started off by taking all the popcorn off the ceiling, demoing all the flooring, demoing the kitchen as well. Okay, so here's the kitchen demoed, except for the uppers there. Those come down later. There's some floating shelves that we made for the customer for their request. A little bit of popcorn ceiling to take off. We took off all the railing, which wasn't up to code. It was a little flimsy anyway. We installed all new LVT, luxury vinyl tile. These are actually cabinets from Lowe's, believe it or not. It's all in the installation, guys. Here's your new railing, 2x2 spindles. We're at the paint phase here. We spray lacquer on all of our wood surfaces, trim, doors, cabinets, etc. Here's the stairs again. We have some floating shelves in the kitchen. These cabinets from Lowe's turned out fantastic.